In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a sub-account with an existing snapshot in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel. Once you're inside the platform, the first thing you need to do is make sure you're working from the correct view. If you're currently inside a location or sub-account, switch over to Agency View. You'll usually find the option to do that near the top of the interface, and once you see it, click Switch to Agency View. After that, move to the left-hand menu and click on Sub-Accounts. This will open the list of accounts under your agency, and from here you'll be able to locate the specific client account you want to update using an existing snapshot. Find the sub-account you want to work on. In that row, look for the option labeled Switch to Sub-Account, and then click the three dots next to it. This opens a small action menu. From that menu, select Manage Client. That will take you into the management area for that specific sub-account, where snapshot actions can be applied safely. Once you're on the account details page, click on Actions. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, choose Load Snapshot. This is the feature that allows you to push an existing snapshot into the selected sub-account. Now you'll be prompted to pick a snapshot, choose the snapshot you want to use, then click Proceed. On the next screen, you'll be able to select the assets you want to push into the account. This is an important step because it lets you control exactly what gets updated. Select all the assets you want to include, and when you're ready, click Proceed again. At this point, Gohighlevel will begin checking for conflicts. This is where the system reviews the snapshot against the current contents of the sub-account to identify anything that may overlap or be affected. Once that check is complete, click Proceed to Continue. Next, you'll reach the confirmation step. To finalize the action, type Confirm in the field provided. This extra confirmation is there to help prevent accidental updates, especially when you're making changes to a live client account. After typing Confirm, click Proceed one last time, and that's it. The snapshot update process will begin, and Gohighlevel will apply the selected assets to the sub-account. As a best practice, take a moment afterward to review the updated account and verify that everything loaded as expected. This is especially helpful if you pushed multiple assets or made changes to an active setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.